Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to stop Microsoft Teams from opening automatically in the background when you start your computer. This is a simple setting you can change in just a few steps. If you're tired of Teams running when you don't need it, stay tuned. First, open the Microsoft Teams desktop app on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three dots next to your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on the General tab on the left side. Find the option called Open Application in Background. Uncheck or disable this option to prevent Teams from launching in the background when your system starts. Once you've done that, you can simply close the Settings window. Restart your computer to make sure the changes take effect. And that's it. Microsoft Teams will no longer start automatically in the background. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.